Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to be talking about the effects of sugar and processed foods on overall health and fitness. These days, it seems like sugar and processed foods are everywhere, and it can be hard to know how to avoid them. But the truth is that they can have a significant impact on your health and fitness goals. In this video, we'll be discussing what sugar and processed foods are, why they can be harmful, and how you can make healthier choices to support your overall health and fitness. What are sugar and processed foods? First, let's define what we mean by sugar and processed foods. Sugar refers to any type of sweetener, including table sugar, honey, agave, and corn syrup. Processed foods are foods that have been altered in some way from their natural state, often to extend their shelf life or enhance their flavor. Examples of processed foods include things like chips, crackers, cookies, and frozen dinners. Why are sugar and processed foods harmful? So why are sugar and processed foods harmful? For starters, they tend to be very high in calories and low in nutrients. This means that when you eat these foods, you're consuming a lot of energy without getting the vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients your body needs to function properly. Over time, this can lead to weight gain and malnutrition, which can contribute to a host of health problems. In addition to their low nutrient content, sugar and processed foods can also cause spikes in blood sugar levels. When you consume these foods, your body quickly breaks them down into sugar, which enters your bloodstream and causes your blood sugar levels to rise rapidly. This can be especially harmful for people with diabetes or prediabetes, as it can worsen insulin resistance and increase the risk of developing diabetes. The impact of sugar and processed foods on health and fitness. The impact of sugar and processed foods on your health and fitness can be significant. As we mentioned earlier, these foods can contribute to weight gain and malnutrition, but they can also increase your risk of developing chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. In addition to these long-term health effects, sugar and processed foods can also have a more immediate impact on your fitness goals. Consuming these foods can make you feel sluggish and tired, which can make it harder to stay active and motivated. They can also interfere with your body's ability to recover from exercise, which can slow down your progress in the gym. How to make healthier choices. So what can you do to make healthier choices and avoid the harmful effects of sugar and processed foods? Here are a few tips. 1. Choose whole foods. Whole foods are foods that have not been processed or altered in any way. Examples include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These foods tend to be higher in nutrients and lower in calories than processed foods, making them a better choice for overall health and fitness. 2. Read labels. When you do choose processed foods, be sure to read the labels carefully. Look for foods that are low in added sugars and high in fiber, protein, and other nutrients. 3. Limit sugary drinks. Sugary drinks like soda and juice are some of the biggest culprits when it comes to sugar consumption. Try to limit your intake of these drinks and opt for water, herbal tea, or other low-sugar options instead. 4. Cook at home. When you cook at home, you have more control over the ingredients you use. This can make it easier to avoid added sugars and processed foods. 5. Practice moderation. Finally, it's important to remember that moderation is key. It's okay to enjoy treats and processed foods in moderation, as long as they're not a major part of your diet. The key is to make healthier choices most of the time and save indulgences for special occasions. In conclusion, sugar and processed foods can have a significant impact on your overall health and fitness. They can contribute to weight gain, malnutrition, and an increased risk of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. However, by making healthier choices like choosing whole foods, reading labels, limiting sugary drinks, cooking at home, and practicing moderation, you can avoid the harmful effects of these foods and support your health and fitness goals. Remember, small changes can make a big difference over time. So start making healthier choices today. Thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness content. You can also check my others video.